How to transfer money from Cash App to PNC Bank. So what we want to do is just first connect PNC to our Cash App. So click on your profile icon in the top right, and here we will go into linked banks. Now once we have selected linked banks, we can click on linked debit card. If we have a PNC debit card, we will input the information here and just click on link card. If we don't have a PNC debit card, we can select no card here, and it's going to show us a list of all the different banking institutions instead. So click on continue like this, and we will just type PNC here, and you can connect PNC directly here to Cash App. Now once we have linked PNC Bank to our Cash App, I'm just going to go all the way back here, and once we have linked PNC Bank to Cash App, we're going to click on the bank icon in the bottom left, and then here you will be able to see your cash balance. So click on your cash balance, and then the very last option should be withdraw. So withdraw from your balance, transfer to linked bank. Click on here, type out the amount which you want to transfer to your linked bank, so in our case PNC, and just confirm by clicking the green button at the bottom. This is going to transfer your money from Cash App to PNC Bank. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.